paano mararamdaman po yung increase kapag na-approvahan po yung 40 to 40%?
Wala pa ho kami doon. Hindi pa kami, kasi ano rin po eh, we were invited by chairman and his team eh. Medyo na curveball rin kami doon sa, kasi nga, after nung huling application for fare increase, para lahat, we're trying to be creative para lang ma-augment yung mga costs namin. Pero if ever na magkaroon naman ng increase, before we do, magbibigay kami ng ample time to advise yung riding public. Saka kami going back dun sa point ko kanina, naintindihan naman namin may threshold yung pockets ng ang hanap lang namin yung sustainability. And kung bumaba naman yung cost, willing rin naman kami na ibalik ulit dun sa dating presyo.